Hi, I'm Chinyere, trainer at Amda Analytics. So today we'll be learning how to connect to spreadsheets. All right, so if you look at my screen, you see I have students' name and their exam scores. Right, so what is inside this sheet? We want to connect it, move it to the next sheet here. So how do we go about this? So I'll come to this second sheet here. I'll say equal to, you can see import, right? So import, you can see import range, right? It's asking for what? The spread URL. Now go to the second sheet here, this URL here, right? So we will just click on it, put your cursor there, and then do Control C to copy it, Control C. Now go to the second sheet here, I'll paste it here, Control V to paste it. Then we'll come here, right, to use, sorry. So here, so you need to put double quote there, all right? So now it's taking us to what? To the second argument, then comma. It's asking for what? The range string. Now, the range string is just like when you come to the second sheet, what's the name of this range? You can see here we have what? Students, right? Students. So let's move to the second sheet now. I'll come here, I'll say students. That's actually the name of our sheet there. Of course, I'll use my exclamation mark, right? And then I'll highlight, I'll come here, I will select the sheet that I want to add, move to that side. Okay, it's actually from what you can see from A1 here. You can see here is what A1 to B15. So let's proceed to our sheet. So come here, we'll say A1 to B15, right? To B15. So close it, then hit enter. Perfect. Now, sometimes so when you do this, okay, it will be asking for what? You get something like reference error. So you need to what? You need to connect it. So you see something like connect. I don't know why I'm not getting it now. So you see something like connect. So I'll give access to. So you need to click on here on this place now. You need to what? Click on access, give access to, so that I'm able to what? To connect the both sheets together. All right. So guys, if this thing, as you're saying, what you're saying here, if I come to this sheet here, right? If I change anything here, it's going to what? It's going to reflect on that second. So let's see, this Adebowale. If I change the score to, let's say, 800, right? 800. Let's move to the second sheet here. So on this second sheet here, you can see Adebowale 800, right? This is actually how to connect two spreadsheets together. All right, thanks guys for watching. Thanks for staying tuned. All right, guys, see you in my next video, and don't forget to please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And then if you want to become expert in all these things, right, I will recommend Amda Analytics for you, because this guy are the best edtech company that you can register your program with. You want to become expert in data science, data analytics, business analysis, HR analytics. Guys, register with Amda Analytics. I highly recommend Amda Analytics. They are the best, right? And guess what? Our next cohort is starting on 11th of May 2024. You want to start your program. You are looking for that edtech company that can hold your hands, show you step by step on how you can become a certified data analyst. Hold your hands, show you all these things, how to become an expert in using your Excel, expert in using your Power BI, your SQL, even ChatGPT, even Python. These guys are there for you. I want to tell you something. Register with Amda Analytics and become part of the community that we are building. See you guys in my next video. Cheers.